everyone, how are you today? This is me again, your teacher Russell. In this video, what I'm going to teach you is how to pronounce the words with ed endings that has the T sound. Let's start with number 1. The word is walked. We do not say walked, but we say walked. Say it with a T sound, walked. Repeat after me, walked. Next word, looked. Say it again, looked. Don't say looked, even though it ends with ed, but the pronunciation is looked. For the last time, looked. Next word is washed. Everybody say washed. Don't say washed, okay? Say washed. For the last time, say it again, washed. Great job. Next word, danced. Say the word danced. Danced. For the last time, danced. I danced with my mother. I danced with my father. Next word, say mixed. Mixed. Don't say mixed, say mixed. For the last time, say mixed. Great job. Next word, laughed. One more time, laughed. Don't say laughed, say laughed. For the last time, laughed. Next word, kissed. Do not say kissed, but say kissed. For the last time, kissed. Alright, next word, say fixed. One more time, fixed. Do not say fixed, but you have to say fixed. Fixed. For the last time, fixed. Very good. Next word, helped. Helped. Do not say help it, but say helped. Helped. Great job. And the last word, clicked. Clicked. Do not say click it, but say clicked. Clicked. Very good. These words are in the past tense. Most past tenses of the verb has an ed ending. For this lesson, we are just concentrating on the words with the T endings. And I hope you learned something from me again today. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.